The color development on these lower branches is excellent.
Agreed. I'm seeing minimal pest damage too. Let's confirm the sizing.
Batch 4 entry time confirmed. You may begin pre-processing.
Calibration complete on the rotary pitters.
Excellent. All right, ladies, begin the sortation process now.
The current batch goes into the sulphuring shed right over there. Make sure it's sealed tight.
Push it, push! Next one coming through. Seal it up, quickly!
industrial fire suppression system is electrically armed but set to a standby manual activation mode.
The highly concentrated sulfur dioxide gas is being directed through industrial scrubbers or dispersed high-stack vents.
If the residual sulfur dioxide levels are measured as too high, the sulfuring control operator is scheduling.
The SO2 levels are critical. We have to quarantine this entire batch.
Understood. Get the resulfuring scheduled for tomorrow.
They look good. Get these racks transferred to the outdoor area.
Understood. Will do.
Clear the path. I'm moving the tunnel now.
We need more empty racks at this end.
Bring it back just a little bit.
That's it.
That's it. Looks good from here. Lock it down.
We need to ensure this gap is clear for the circulation. Looks good. Airflow is optimal here.
Got it. I'll log that reading now.
Ready on this end? Just a little further. Okay, secure it.
The extended, multi-day long-term moisture reduction phase begins as water evaporates slowly from the apricot halves.
The texture on these is spot on. So,
Yeah, not overly sticky at all. We achieved the target moisture here.
Drying continues until the sampled fruit reaches the target moisture content range, typically 18 to 20.
Watch the left side. Okay, easy now. Bring it down slow.
The dried apricot halves are allowed to sweat, permitting the remaining internal moisture content to equalize uniformly through.
Look at this spike, 4 to 5 degrees and rising.
Confirmed. We need to initiate the cooling sequence immediately.
Pressure looks good. The system is running optimally.
And the filtered water is maintaining the food grade standard. Quick wash confirmed.
Seeing uniform color and size.
Verified. We are clear for final packaging.
Place it right here in the center. Make sure it's smooth.
Got it. Looks good to ship.
Yes, confirmed. That's the correct temperature requirement for the shipment. We are all set. Thank you. Goodbye.
We need the final QA sign-off on these apricot pallets within the hour. Truck 42 is already backing in.
Understood. I'll confirm the load readiness. Here are the manifests, double-checked and ready for customs.
Appreciate it. Have a good one.
Delivery of the dried apricots confirmed.
Thank you. Have a good day.
The payment for client 3B is clear. I'm approving the reconciliation now.
Okay, I'll mark it as complete.
The client is reporting significant dryness and discoloration on arrival.
Yes, look at this sample. It's completely unacceptable for shipment. We need to halt the next batch.
Are the parameters set for the dried fruit run?
Almost there, just confirming the temperature stabilization.
And the line is sterilized, Supervisor? Here's your receipt and your apricots. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
The pliability and soft chewiness of the dried apricot fruit, achieved by the optimized moisture content.
If the complaint is determined invalid, we can issue consumer education about the expected sulfite hang.
The sulphuring process is confirmed successful throughout the product life cycle if the apricot fruit maintains its vibrant orange.
The schedule is confirmed. We're initiating the next raw material cycle on the 20th.
Terzors. When monitoring for sulfur dioxide, ensure the detectors are calibrated weekly. Any reading above 2 ppm requires a...
The reading is stable now, right within the acceptable range.
Perfect. All checks are confirmed.
The apricot drying and sulphuring cycle immediately recommences, confirming orchard harvest schedule synchronization.